Hey guys, Dean Soleiman here from Sticker City, and today we want to show you something very cool. Everybody always kind of questions the strength of the clear ball. So we got all these little cool tools around here, and we're about to put this thing to a test, one by one. The first item to test out with is this drill. Whenever you get a drill or any hardware, you need your safety goggles. Wow, almost broke it. I think I see smoke coming out of this drill. Let's give this a little test. Nothing at all. Told you clear ball is as strong as me. This very strong item, polyurethane nunchucks, A.K.A. slip low universal skid plates. Wow, left a little scar, but that's about it. Look at that. The bat didn't work, the drill didn't work, the slip low didn't work. Next thing I'm gonna do is, I've been doing karate, taking karate classes for the last about month and a half. I'm a solid white belt, and I think I should be able to penetrate this with a chop from the hand. Two.
No, only one.
One.
Two and one clap.
Two. Ready?
We're ready.
Two. Karate chop. DT. The people's elbow. Nothing. This thing is powerful.
Sticker City, keeping your car.